What's going on YouTube, GeoSnow here. So in today's video I have news about the Electra, which is a jailbreak toolkit. It has received the beta 8.2, which fixes quite a lot of stuff and is definitely recommended to install if you are running iOS 11.0 up to 11.1.2 and of course you are jailbroken with Electra. Now you can see here that the beta 8 and the beta 8.2 have quite a lot of fixes, including fixes for the sandboxing, and there is also a known bug that says in here, quote, known bug, apps will take longer to launch the first time they launch after jailbreaking due to a workaround for another bug without sandboxing not working on the first launch. But there is actually a lot of focus on the sandboxing itself, and it says in here, Coolstar says fixes Safari and Chrome receiving the call UI and the App Store downloads not working by excluding them from the sandbox patch bug workaround. So yeah, if you had problems downloading applications from the App Store while using Electra and while being jailbroken with Electra, this fix is for you. So go ahead and of course update to the 8.2. Now I definitely recommend everybody to update to the latest version, and this is very important since a lot of things change even though you can't see them or even though they're not mentioned in the change logs in here. Code is being reworked, is being rewritten to accommodate various fixes and so on. So it's always a good idea to run the latest version. Now something about the Electra, do not install Electra from other sources like Tweakbox and so on. I actually have two reasons to say that. At first, Tweakbox, for example, bundles the Electra with ads, and when you open it you also see an ad, and that wouldn't really be a problem, but you're no longer able to check the hash in here since it gets modified due to the fact that ads are injected into the application. So it's impossible to check whether or not other malicious things have been added, which is bad. And then of course there is the second reason, and the most important. On these third-party app stores the Electra is most likely not updated in time, so you are very likely to use like the beta 7 or the beta 6 or sometimes even the first beta while there is the beta 8.2 available. So in order to stay updated and have the best experience with Electra Jailbreak Toolkit, you should download it from here on coolstar.org Electra. So what if you want to install it? Well, you download it from here, you download the IPA, and as you probably know you need CDA Impactor for that. We're not going to download this for the moment since I already have it, and you can go ahead on cdaimpactor.com, download it for your particular device and open it, and then connect your device. You will then need to drag and drop the application from the desktop or from wherever you download it into the CDA Impactor, and it will ask you for your Apple ID and password. Then it will deploy the application directly to the device, which means it's pretty simple to install. Now a lot of you are asking me what to do if you're using an older version, how you can update from, for example, I don't know, beta 6 or beta 7 up to beta 8.2. Well, it's pretty simple. You just have to uninstall the application you have installed on your phone, the Electra Beta 7 for example, and then reboot your device, sideload the beta 8.2 or the current beta, and go ahead and jailbreak again with it, and you will be able to use the new code, and therefore you will be able to re-jailbreak with it and you will be fine. So yeah, that's how you update. But yeah, please do not download it from third-party sources since it's not updated and sometimes it's even modified to be bundled with ads. So yeah, go ahead and follow Coolstar for more updates on the Electra Jailbreak Toolkit. As I said, for the moment Electra is probably the best jailbreak for iOS 11.0 up to 11.1.2. And with the new vulnerability that will be disclosed for iOS 11.2 and 11.2.1 and 11.2.2, let's hope that Coolstar might be able to update it to work with, of course, iOS 11.2 and iOS 11.2.2. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Go ahead and update right now to the latest beta if you're running the Electra to get better stability and of course a better experience overall with Electra. Thank you for watching, I'm GeoSnow, till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, peace out.